In the heart of Baradere, Haiti in 1973, a visionary was born, Jean Gary Bellinston, best known as Easy One. Rapper, radio host, and Rastafarian. Easy One would become a cornerstone of Haiti's rap Creole movement, bending spiritual depth with the raw energy of hip-hop. In the world of music, Easy was drawn to reggae roots, dancehall, R&B. Growing up in Pétionville, Easy One dreamer destined to become a voice for his people. Raised in a nation pulsing with rhythm from Compa to Rara, Easy One's soul was shaped by the spiritual fire of Bob Marley and the raw poetry of American hip-hop. As young man, Easy One's activism pushed rap Creole forward, organizing ciphers and workshops to empower young MCs.
C'est qu'a fait. Napside.
In 1980s, Haiti's music scene was electrified by the arrival of rap Creole. Pioneered by the Godfather Master G. His group, Haiti Rap and Raga, introduced hip-hop to Haitian youth, blending rhymes with Americans' beats. Easy One, as teenager was captivated, inspired by Master G. Easy began rapping in Creole, French and English by the time he was at high school Lycée de Pétionville. By the 1990s, rap Creole exploded with groups like King Posse and Original Rap Stuff, who brought rivalries and catchy anthems. By this time, Easy One was drawn to human sciences, studied philosophy. Easy One had a passion for human sciences, which allowed him to better understand the social dynamics and people around him. He also embodies a strong spiritual side as Rastafarian, seeking peace, unity and justice through his music. This academic foundation deeply influenced his